We're going to walk you through the installation of the J&L oil separator for your 2.5 liter Nissan Altima. Including the J&L kit is a fully assembled oil separator with hoses, a mounting bracket, a mounting bolt, and mounting screws. Tools you're going to need for installation is a 10mm socket, a ratchet, a pair of pliers, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's get started. Our first step, we need to locate our factory PCV line, which is this short line here from the intake manifold to the PCV valve right behind the oil fill. These clamps you're going to grab with a pair of pliers and slide them off, or slide them back. And then you're going to need to take your pliers and just twist your hose till it's loose, and the hose should pull right off. Now we're going to prep our oil separator for install. We're actually going to reuse these clamps. So take your pliers to remove them. Now we're going to take our J&L bracket and our oil separator. We're going to align the two logos and use the supplied screws to fasten the bracket to the oil separator. And you can go and tighten these down with your screwdriver. And then we're also going to pre-install these clamps onto our hoses. So just slide it up. Our oil separator assembly. We're going to use this stud off of the intake manifold with the supplied bolt and secure the assembly in place. Not going to tighten the bolt all the way yet, just going to do finger tight. Your hoses, the short hose here from the C side of the oil separator is going to plug onto your factory PCV valve. Should push right on. And then your hose from the O side is going to push onto the factory intake manifold. Push that all the way on. Now we're just going to slide our clamps into place. Like so. And then we're going to get our bolt tightened up. So I just want to double check to make sure this oil separator is not resting against a wiring harness, not pushing against the intake manifold. Get it into place and just snug that bolt up. And that completes your installation. Very simple to do. Hoses are pre-cut to length. Now the oil separator reservoir holds 3 ounces until it's full. Your average collection on most of these vehicles is about 1 ounce of oil every 1,000 miles. So what we suggest you do after you install it, make note of your mileage and check it at 1,000 miles, and that will give you an idea of how frequently you need to service your oil separator, because it will vary vehicle to vehicle and driver to driver. Check it at 1,000, dispose of it wherever you would dispose of your used oil, just like for your motor oil, and let us know if you have any questions. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you on the next one.